Today I'll show you the simple way to create AI influencers like this, and without wasting time, let's dive in and create our own AI influencer and start our journey to make millions dollars online by using AI influencers. And these influencers are viral on TikTok, Facebook and YouTube. So first of all, in order to create our own AI influencer, all we need source image. To get source image, you can search just top actresses on Google, or you can search just top 10 actresses and you can get any source image. So I selected Emma Stone. She is my favorite one, so I select her image to generate my own AI influencer. So once you have your source image, all you have to do, you have to head over imagine.art, and this is the interface, and I'll paste the link in description so you can get a link in description as well. So once you are here, all you have to do, you can see this icon, and all you have to do, there are different variants which can generate images for you, but I'll go with Nano Banana Pro. But when you get first sign in, you will get 100 free credit. So we will select the Nano Banana here, just tap on that, just click next and finish. And after that, you have to paste this prompt, and this prompt you will find in description as well. And then you have to upload your source image. And here you have select the aspect ratio, and that will be whatever you like, portrait, square or landscape. I'll go with the portrait as well. In one prompt you can generate up to 4 pictures, but I'll go with 2, and then just tap on create. So this is just mind-blowing and this is amazing. As you can see that our AI influencer picture is perfectly ready, and I'm so surprised with the resolution. The resolution is ultra high definition, and as you can see, variation both are perfect in same facial expression, all that, everything is perfect. We got our source image, and now all you have to do, we have a video source to perform her to do a TikTok video for us. For that we will go and just search Pinterest gorgeous influencer video, whatever video you like, just tap on that video. And on top you will see here the share option, just click on that one, and here you will see the copy link, and just copy this link and then go ahead to this one, click pin.com. I will also paste this link in description. Just paste the URL here and just click on the option download. As you can see that we have here 3 icons, and just you have this option download, and you can tap on and it will be download here. So once we downloaded the video from the Pinterest, all we have to do, we have to head over to frame extractor and just upload the video we just downloaded. And just here you have different numbers of frame you can extract. We will do just 1. And after that, just simply extract that. So as you can see that we have the picture in perfect frame, just download that one. Once we have the frame image, all we have to do, we have to come to the lower.ai, and here just tap on image generators and just upload the picture. And you can upload the second picture. We just created our own image, and just write this prompt. And once you're done, you have a different option. You can select the resolution to 4K. You have different option for aspect ratio. We will go for 9:16. Submit this. As we can see that we have the perfect AI influencer we just have created by using AI. Now we have provided her the wonderful costume, all that. So all we have to do now, we have to generate the video by using our own AI model we created using AI. So once you're done with that, just head over to Kia.ai, and you will find this link in description as well. In here you will see different option here. Once you will open Kia AI, you will see the Cling 2.6 motion control. Just tap on this one. And now you have here different option. Just delete this prompt, and also remove this file, and remove this video as well. Just upload your own video and your resource image which we just have created by using AI. Just tap on a video, and resolution is 720. This is more than enough for us. and once it will be uploaded successfully, just you have to run. Now check both resolution, and this is just mind-blowing, and this is so perfect. If you like this session, please do subscribe DeepMind AI, and thank you so much.